In this video, we'll show you how to best use your Quick Start Kit. We remind you that our Quick Start Kits and SaveMeMagnets are not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. You should always seek advice of a healthcare professional for medical conditions. The Quick Start Kits are an over-the-counter approach, if you will, to a more robust system of biomagnetism. Our Quick Start Kits are beneficial to anybody looking for safe, powerful, and effective healthcare strategies. They contain 5 biomagnetic formulas derived from the biomagnetic recalibration system to 1. Aid in pain relief or glandular organ dysfunction. 2. Aid in detoxification. 3. Support immune system. 4. Help overcome emotional challenges. And 5. To help boost emotional strength. From these 5 biomagnetic formulas, the pain-relieving and emotional challenges strategies may not always be applicable to your everyday life. On the other hand, the other 3 strategies having to do with aiding your body with detoxification, supporting immune function, and emotional strength are relevant to everybody's everyday life. The Quick Start booklet illustrates exactly where to apply magnets and general instructions on how to use them. However, you may use the strategies however you see fit. We believe it's a great strategy to use the everyday life relevant formulas at least 3 times per week, although they may be used every single day, many times throughout the day. Supposing you are living with miserable pain and suffering, maybe you were in an accident, are diagnosed with an illness, or may be stricken with grief of a loss. In this case, regardless of the situation, we would suggest using all 5 biomagnetic formulas at least once a day, 4 to 6 days per week. And of course, you can use them with more frequency if you like. Depending on how many magnets you have, for example, the 10 magnet kit, you may apply multiple formulas at once. Otherwise, you do one formula at a time. Supposing your life is generally pretty healthy, nothing really hurts or is medically wrong. In this case, you would use the detoxification, immune support, and emotional strengths biomagnetic formulas at least 3 times per week or more often if you'd like.